Hey YouTube family, hope you guys are having a great day. I kind of messed up. I forgot to record an intro earlier today for this vlog, and so now I'm recording it. This vlog is different than most other vlogs, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm actually going to be changing things up a little bit. This is me more or less practicing a new technique of vlogging. I want to do more vlogging. I want to do more than just explainer videos and how-tos. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys stick around. Enjoy. Okay, so today is my last day at WeWork, so I snuck into this conference room just to like quickly record this video. Yeah. So one thing that I want to touch on, oh my God, there's a horrible echo in here, so I apologize if you guys can hear this. One thing that I want to touch on is that someone asked me earlier this week a simple question. They asked me, are you born creative? And I wanted to really answer this question very thoroughly because of the fact that I get asked this a lot. I get friends who are asked this. It pertains to more than just illustration, drawing, art. It pertains to photography. It pertains to writing. It pertains to a lot of things. So I wanted to take a little bit of time and just like really give a deep dive into my explanation behind this. So I actually wrote a blog post. You can find it down in the show notes below. The short answer is, no, you're not born creative. Basically, it's your environment that helps to really nurture creativity. When I was growing up, my mom, my grandmother, they really nurtured this like creativity in me. They really like encouraged me to draw and doodle. Even when I had teachers complain that I was drawing way too much, they still encouraged me to draw and to keep this creativity alive in me. I had friends though that were not so lucky in that fact. In fact, they were told that they shouldn't be drawing, that they shouldn't be wasting their time, you know, they should be focusing on other things. One friend of mine, his dad actually would get angry at him, and now to this day I think he's in construction when he was a better drawer than I was at that age. The important thing is that you are not born creative, but the environment that you live in is what helps to make you creative or helps to make you become creative. So you don't have to be born a great drawer, a great musician, a great writer, a great photographer, a great videographer. All those things come with time and they come with practice. But if you want to learn more, just read the blog post down in the show notes. Okay, so currently at beautiful Balboa Park here. Just like sat down at the grassy area just to like, I haven't been down here in a while, so I was figured, oh yeah, I'll just like quickly come over here, record a little bit of stuff, maybe even go and look at the actual like park area, film that for you guys and everything. Let's talk about WeWork. I had the WeWork office for about 6 months, and the last half of that, I barely went in there. I think I went into the WeWork space maybe about 2 or 3 times. I felt like it really wasn't the right fit money-wise too. I felt like I was paying a little bit too much for such a small office, especially since I have this like really nice space at home. I felt like there really was no purpose for me to keep the space. So that's the reason why I got rid of it. Hopefully this lighting is okay. I now am officially working straight out of home. The next steps are going to be me doing a lot of work at home, which is what I've been doing. I'm also going to be going out and doing work at some offices around San Diego and maybe even some coffee shops and stuff like that. You know, change up this view because I want you guys to see a lot more of San Diego. Alright, I think that's enough walking around here. I'm sweating up a storm. I think it's time to get back to the studio and get some work done. Okay, so now it's time to get started. We're doing some client work. I'm going to be working on one of my new clients, Less and More. They're a design agency here in San Diego. I'm working on with an awesome new project. I can't talk too much about what it is exactly, but I can at least show you me working on it. So here we go. Alright YouTube family, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's way different than I normally do. Decided to change some things up and make it a little bit more organic and more vloggy, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please leave them down in the show notes below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me across social media. Also, a couple things. Number one, if you guys follow the link to my newsletter in the description down below, you guys can sign up and get a free copy of my top 5 tips to drawing better. I would definitely suggest picking that up. It is free. Also, I want to give another big shout out to my friend Dustin Lee of Retro Supply. He actually, his, I believe, 3rd child was just born recently, so congrats, Dustin. And I want you guys to also remember there's a link down below for his latest product. And there's also promo codes where you can get 20% off when you purchase it, so definitely check that out. But that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys tune in to my YouTube live stream. And remember, stay passionate, stay positive, and stay creative. Bye, everybody.